Let me show you how you can close all of your apps at once on the iPhone. So if you go to your multitasking panel like this, you can see that we don't have the button to click and swipe them all away. But you don't also have the ability, or you don't have to just individually swipe up on them. What you can do is to perform two-finger swipe to make it quicker, like that. So you can that way swipe away two apps at the same time, or even perform it with three fingers, because you can also grab three apps like this and just keep on closing them. But honestly, I feel it's faster to do it with like two apps at a time, and then that's how you can close all of the apps on your iPhone. Keep in mind that outside of that, there are the background app refresh settings. So inside of main settings app, part of general, you'll be able to find background app refresh in here, and it essentially decides whether some apps or some specific process can be active in the background even without having the app actually open. So if that's the case, and if you want to prevent it, just make sure you disable it from those from this list. Make sure you untoggle it like that, and then that way the app will not even be able to run in the background. But that's it from me. Let me know if it worked. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and I'll see you later.